Welcome to Mora FC. It is what it is. I'm gonna give you the simplest, the easiest way how to make this style. It's very simple and easy. You need some tips and tricks that you really need to make this beautiful senator style. You can see how the placket has been formed very nicely and beautifully. And if you want to learn how to fix an invisible zip without a zipper foot, I'm going to leave in the description box below. Check it out and learn how to fix your invisible zip without a zipper foot. So let's get started. You divide the fabric. This is the front fabric that we are working on it. Your bars, you divide it by 4, you fold the 2, you add your sewing allowance to it. Then you're going to add 12 inches or 13 or 14 inches. It depends how your placket, how big, how small you want your placket to be. You understand? So I added 12 inches to that. I'm making a notches in the center. Like I always say, you have to check where the design going to fall. Is it going to fall on the left side or on the right side? It's very important. You check that. So I'm going to mark the neck. This one is for a kid, so I'm marking 2 inches over there. I'm going to check the time where I want the design before, so I'll just mark 2 inches over there, far away from the neck. So I'll get 4 inches over there. I think I'll use 4 inches. 4 inches. That is where my placket is going to fall. So I form my first placket, then you iron it. You can form like 3, 5, in the prime number form, or you can make it in a whole 2 or 4. It's up to you. So you keep on folding, forming your placket. Please, if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe, like and share, comment and click on notification bell, because I post videos every Sunday and sometimes on Monday. If I couldn't able to post it on Sunday, it is what it is. So you form your placket. That's the second time, and this is my third one. Then I form that one as well, then I iron it. You can see I've not cut the shoulder slope yet. It's important that you have to form your placket first before cutting your shoulder slope. It's very important. I will show you the reason why you have to form your placket first before cutting your shoulder slope. So you keep watching. So these are my pins. I'm going to pin it down. So after pinning it down, just have to turn it over and just cut the unwanted one from there. That's it. This is the back. As usual, the back is always longer than the front, so I just put the front on the back. Then I'm gonna leave 3 inches. I'm gonna make the back longer, 3 inches more than the front. So the neck, as usual, my 2 inches, my shoulder slope 1 inch. This one is for a kid. So I have a tutorial. I'm gonna leave a link below. Check it out how to cut a senator and tab. It's well explained, nothing is hidden, but if you watch it, you can still catch up certain things. I'm going to explain how to cut it and how to sew it as well. Everything. The shoulder, you divide the shoulder into two, then you add your sewing allowance to it, 1/2 inch. Come on your armhole, the shoulder that you divided, you're going to use the same thing for your armhole. Like I said, I have a tutorial on how to cut a senet and top. I'm going to leave a link below, and I have a tutorial how to cut a perfect neck, any size of the neck, any size, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, up to 20, any size of the neck. I'm going to leave the link below. Check it out and learn how to cut a senet neck. So I'm going to open this part to show you the reason why you're supposed to fold it before you cut the slope, the shoulder slope. So I'm going to open it. You can see how it is, this is how it's going to be at that side when you open it. So imagine you just cut the shoulder before form your placket. It's going to be impossible. So you form the placket first before cutting the shoulder slope. There's some more tips ahead I want to teach you, so you keep on watching to know the other tips that I'm going to give it to you. So this is the fabric that we're going to use to cover that part. Just cut it the way I'm cutting it. Then after that you draw your design, how it is. You can design how you like it, So you just have to leave a 1/2 inch when cutting, as you can see. This is how it's going to be. Get your facing, your stiff, and use that for the wrong side of it. But unfortunately, I'm not going to use it on this fabric, so I advise you use it so that you become very stiff and nice at that part. So you're going to fold, after using your fusing on it, you're going to fold a 1/2 inch. At the wrong side. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share, and comment, and click on notification bell. It is what it is. So let's get on to the sewing part. So let me teach you something. When you look at the shoulder slope, you can see that I've let it longer at the tip. You have to fall at the tip. Don't let the placket show. Let it fall exactly at the tip of the placket at the shoulder side. As you can see what I'm doing. Then you pin it. You pin everything together to hold it down. After that, then you sew on top. Just like that. Then after that, you remove your pins from there. I need to make sure everything falls perfectly. Voila, have you seen it? That's it. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and comment. This is the front part, the yoke of the front. You just have to cut a small one like that, and you put it at the top, the front. This is the sleeve. One have to go with the color, same. This is the back yoke. The back, you just have to put the back on it like that, then you just trim it out. You fold it like this, you iron it. So you open to the wrong side of the fabric. This is the wrong side. You put the right side to the wrong side, and you sew on top like this, then you turn it, then you sew on top. You're done with the back. And this is the hand, the zip. This is the front. You come to the right side of the fabric. You put the right side and right side together, then you sew like that, then you flip it. You fix your zip, invisible zip. Like I said, I'm going to leave a link below. Check it out if you want to fix your invisible zip. You have to zip our foot. I'm going to leave the link in the description box below. So after that, you open the placket before you sew the bottom. The bottom of it, you have to open the placket. And after that, you close the placket and you iron it. Thank you for watching. It is what it is.